Damn. Alright, what's going on, y'all? You already know the routine. It's Sheila, aka Nefertiti, once again, live in the green room. If you guys didn't already know, leave your comments and your suggestions on my page and leave your questions in my inbox just to help support others who are in need of advice. And also, show some support. Leave some comments, leave some feedback. And I thank everyone, the viewers out there, for definitely showing support, definitely logging into my videos, definitely getting interactive with them. Thank you very much. So yeah, welcome to the green room. Now, before I start, I definitely want to introduce the song. Just listen real quick. So, this song is called Take a Low Bounce. It's by Nemesis, aka Germs, aka Jeremy. So it's by Nemesis. It's called Take a Low Bounce once again. He's definitely from New York. So he's representing New York right now. Definitely a club banger. So you guys stay tuned and watch out for this dude right here because he's making big moves. So definitely making big moves. If you guys want to get a hold of him, hit him up at jeremyitlam@gmail.com, or if you guys have Facebook, hit him up at Jeremy Lamb on Facebook, alright? If you guys like the song. Pretty much a club banger, like I said. But, yeah, you guys already know the routine. So, the question of the day. You already know I'm doing question of the day, man. I mean, question of the day. Yeah, I'm bored right now. The question of the day. I want to give a shout out to Rochelle Houston for coming up with today's question of the day, which is, should a female be concerned if her man is always going to the strip club? So, Rochelle or Rachel, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name wrong. It's either Rochelle or Rachel Houston. She asked, should a female be concerned if her man, or if their man or whatever, is always going to the strip club? What do you guys think about that? Females, do you like it when your man goes to strip club? Wow. Bang, bang, bang. Going to the strip club all the time? Fellas, besides the fact that your female might work at the strip club, if she didn't work at the strip club, would you mind her going to the strip club every weekend or every other day, with her homegirls or homeboys or whatever the case is? So how do you guys feel about that? So the question is, should a female be concerned if her man is always going to the strip club? I'm giving a shout out to Rachel, Rochelle Houston, one or the other. I apologize once again. And I'm also giving a shout out to Nemesis also for today's song for my video blog. Wow, I'm messing up a lot today, huh? I'm definitely tired. So you guys let me know what's up. I mean, if my man, I'm gonna let you know something. I'm gonna let you know. If my man was in the strip club every freaking day, please believe I will be in the strip club with him every freaking day, shaking my ass in front of him. I don't got an ass, but whatever ass that I got, I'll be shaking in front of him. He'll be doing the motorboat and everything. Now I don't got no titties, but he gonna be doing the motorboat. But now I have a certain way about it. I feel a certain type of way because I would think that he got, a side biddy or whatever in the strip club that he's willing to see every single day, that he can't be with me at the house. I'll feel a certain type of way. If it was me. I'm not giving you no ideas, Rachel, Rochelle. I'm not giving you no ideas, Mama. I'm just saying that would just be me. But it may be a different scenario with other people. So you guys definitely leave some comments for her because she needs your advice on this. Or not even her own advice. It could be for females in general because I know a lot of females are probably in the same situation right now. Same situation. So, once again, thank you guys for the support. And also, you guys, a lot of people have been coming up to me asking me about my hairdos. I know I change them like every week or whatever. I'm not gonna lie. This hair is not mine. It's a wig. $25 at the hair store. Full cap wig. Yeah. Cheaper than Trax. Yeah, you save money. Yeah. So if you guys want to know, you know, the hairstyles that I get or who does my hair, the hair store does my hair. So you guys cop those wigs at the hair store for $25, $26, $30 the most, and have them cut it for you and tip them well. Gotcha. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with question of the day. Deuces.